this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you need to keep your paint in straight lines and not get over all the other walls,
then check out the FROGTAPE multi-surface painting tape 0.94 inch. Not everyone is super skilled at painting, and this FROGTAPE makes it that you don't have to be super skilled. It helps keep your line straight. It helps you not contaminate one wall of paint to another wall when you're trying to do multicolors in a room or trying to protect your doors or your windows or even your outlets. It's super easy to tear. There are no scissors involved. The tape is very thin, but at the same time, it is durable. You're going to rip off the desired length that you want and then easily apply it to your wall or to your windows or whatever it is that you need covered. At the end of the day, you want to be focused on painting and enjoying your paint job, not worry about where all the paint is going to go. So if you paint over the line, don't worry. Once you remove it, there might be paint on your tape, but there will not be paint on your wall, and that is the key. The other key is that once you remove this tape, it does not remove any of your wall or leave any weird residue. At the same time, it's going to help you look like a great painter. So if you're ready to paint, then check this out.
and that's my point of view.